Hello everyone. In this is my first demo video. In this demo, we will build our first Spring Boot project. This project is simple yet meaningful step into the world of Spring Boot, designed to help you quickly get started with building web application in Java. This video we will create a basic REST API that responds with hello world message, and later in this video, we will also make the add function using Postman with the help of APIs. It may seem simple, but it is highlights the power of Spring Boot and its core basics. So let's get started with this demo. So first we will go and search for start.spring.io. Okay, so we'll go on this website. So first, to this website, Spring Initializer, we can create our Spring Boot files in which we can make changes and make a web application. So there are some restrictions that we have to follow while making this project. First, the project should be Maven and the language should be Java because we are making it in Java. The version which should be used is 3.3.3. Let's make name. Okay, write its name. Let's just give it a name. First application. Okay, first application. And name will be first application. Artifact name should also be first application. Okay, the packaging should be jar file, version which will be known for which version of Java you have on your device. You can check your Java version by going to CMD and searching. Let me just show you. You just have to write Java dash dash version. As you can see, I have Java 2.21.0.1 version. So I will be choosing 21 version. And later we have to add a dependency through which we can make a web application. We will just search web. As you can see, the Spring Web dependency is showing. We will select it and everything is right, and we will just download the zip file. Okay, let me just delete the files. Okay, so here is our zip file, first application. Let me just extract it. As you can see, here are all the needed files which will be used in making our Spring project. Uh, so now I will tell you which application we will have to use while making this project. The application which will be used is mm, Java STS. As you can see, Spring website, spring.io tools, where you will see the Eclipse version for Windows, which will be used as a IDE for making this project. You just have to download this file, IDE, but just by going through this link. Let me just remove that. I have already downloaded Spring Tools to Java STS. So I will just step forward and make my project. I have chosen my directory path Let's launch it. Okay, so the Spring Tool suite is open. We will first have to import our zip file that we have done just to simply download it. Just have to go on the side and left click and add import existing Maven project. Next, we will add the path of our zip file. Let's just go here and paste the second, Control C, Control V. We will click Browse. As you can see, it creates a pom.xml. In this pom.xml, there will be all the dependencies that we will be needing in this web application while making this web application project. So just click Finish. Yes. See here, first application is made. So here are the files. I will show you the jar files that were imported with the help of Spring Web. As you know, the web application runs on a server, and by default, the server is Tomcat. So our project will be running on Tomcat server. So let me show you just what will happen when we run this file. You just have to click on this application, run as Maven build. Our goal will be quickly Spring Boot run. By just writing this command, you can run your project. In this in this command, the clean command is used to refresh your files. Refresh your compilers, not your files. I'm sorry. We'll just run. As you can see, our project is running. Project is running on port 8080. As you know, our project will be running on our local host. So by writing local host and the port number, we can access our web application. Just see localhost 8080. Just click. See here. Our project is running correctly. There are no mistakes. As you can see, there is still coming an error page because we have not added any files. Let's just add a file and show you how it will be seen when an HTML file will be shown. Just go to resources, src/main/resources, go to static, add new file. We will make an HTML file, which names will be index.html. Okay, finish. Okay, so let's just write one hello world command. Run dash run hello world. Let's just stop this and restart our server. mm, Spring Boot run. We will run our command. We will save this file. Our file is running on our server. Let's go to the local host. Let's refresh it. As you can see, our HTML file is showing in this server, this web page to the server. Okay, so now we will be doing, we will be making an add function using Postman, for which I have already searched the commands, just written, I've just written in ChatGPT, add controller in Spring Postman. This command will make an add controller file which can be used to add two numbers given by the postman, which we will be using an API to use it. Okay, let's make the files. Let's go and copy this file. Okay, first we have to go to the src main.java. As you can see, the first application is already created. You just have to create an controller class, a controller package, and a Pojo package. In controller package, we will make an add controller file, and in Pojo package, we will make an add request file. Add request file usually uh, asks the data from the postman. We will just make the file, make a package. Let's go new package. Wait a second. Go make a package. We just make the package so our concepts will be clear. Just make con dot my con dot first application dot controller. Okay, making an example. I'm sorry. My.com, my example. Create example. Okay, we'll now click finish. As you can see, a package is created. We will make a Java file. We click class, name will be add controller of Java. Finish. Now we will paste the file, paste the text which we have copied from ChatGPT. We'll just copy it again, paste it here. Okay, there are some errors which we will have to fix. Yeah. So, application control. Control file is created. Okay, first application. Okay, Yes, we will later create this file, which will be just example project class. Just okay. So we'll create one more file. Just go to src main.java new package. Name will be com dot example dot first application dot code. Just click finish. Okay. So here's the package is created. We will just make a file add request.java. So click class add request. Okay, let's just fix this first. Application. Just okay. We will copy the text for add request.java. Just copy it and just paste it. We'll fix the errors. No use for this, remove this. Okay, it is working fine. Yes. Okay, so there are no errors. We will now use Postman to get our numbers. We can also add requests by adding getters and setters. We can add getter and setters by going to source, generate getters and setters. I have already created getters and setters so that I have no need to make them. So now we just let's stop this. Alright. I'll show you application Postman, which we will be making, which we will be requesting our API. Just write Postman. You can download Postman by just going to download Postman. Postman is an API platform for building and using API. Postman simplify each steps of API lifecycle and streamline collaboration. Just download Postman. Just have to download this by clicking this. I have already downloaded the Postman so that I have no need to do this. Now just remove this. Now I will show you how you can use Postman. I have already used ChatGPT to explain the steps which will be used to get Postman. We will first have to open the Postman. We have to create a new button. Select request from option. So let's just open Postman and do step by step. I have already downloaded the Postman. This is the application Postman. Let's open it. May take some time. We will, so the Windows security is asking, do you want to allow public and private network to access this application? We will allow it. We just have to create. Let's see what ChatGPT have to say. Um, okay. We have launched the Postman. It says create new request. Click on new line collection. It creates a new collection. Let me just do okay. New collection. Go to the new collection. Okay. We'll name it. Let's name it first app. Okay. Name it ABC. Okay. So now we will have to now we have to make request. Just go on the sidebar ABC, create new collection. Wait a second, not this. Okay, ABC, add request, yes. See, we are adding a request. It creates a new request. Now, here are some of the steps that we have to follow very carefully. Just go to the body, just go to this option, choose raw and add the JSON. As you can see, ChatGPT has already given the steps. Click on the body, select raw text. Okay, so we'll just copy it, paste it here. Let's increase the size. This, okay. Now we have to add post. Okay. Now we have to add the URL. What the URL should be. Okay. So this is the URL. Okay. Let's run it. Oh, server is not running. So let's just start our server. Let's go to the screen. First application. Run as maven build. Goal will be clean, spring, boot, run. Okay. So our server is running in Tomcat server. I'll show you localhost. Okay, it is running. Let's go to the Postman and send it again. See, our sum is coming 95. The numbers which we are given are 85 and 10. See, through this AddController function, this Java file request for the number get1 and request for the number get2. System dot here income. As you can see, the screen output. Yes. We use int sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Sum function will return the sum values of these two numbers. We print sum, return sum. As you can see, the output screen, the sum is written also. Postman just use this URL, API URL to get numbers. So there's still some time left So let me just give you some of the commands of the some of the main commands. Let's go to Notepad. Okay, the first command is clean. The clean command is used to refresh our packages, refresh our console. And the second command is install. To install, we can install all the necessary dependencies which we'll be needing. Let me just show you. Just run maven install. It will install any of the remaining file, any of the remaining dependencies. As you can see, it has downloaded some jar files. Can you file correctly? No problem. It will show some warning, but it is of no, there is no failure. Okay, success. Okay. Now, I just now, so let's close this demo. Some words that I have to say is in the end, this is the demo. In the end of this demo, I just want to say that it is not a simple Spring file. Though we make a hello world program exercise, it is not a simple hello world exercise. Through this through this demo video, we can know the core basics of Spring Boot. It shows how powerful and friendly Spring Boot is when it comes to building website applications. So thank you everyone for joining this demo video. Later I will make some more demo videos. Thank you. Just close this. Stop.